Promoting health and well-being in a time of COVID-19, supporting a person with a profound and multiple learning disability during coronavirus. If you care for someone with a profound and multiple learning disability, here is some information about how to keep the person you care for and yourself safe and well at this time. Hygiene. If staff are visiting, they will be wearing equipment to protect you and themselves. They might be wearing gloves, plastic aprons and even face masks. If you are caring for an individual at home yourself, try to wash your hands as often as possible. To prevent skin drying out, moisturise regularly. If you do need to leave the house, the government recommends good hand hygiene. Try not to touch your face and eyes as much as possible and use tissues for coughs and sneezes. Pain. You will know the person you care for well, but if there is any change to a person's behaviour, facial expressions and gestures, or reduction in appetite, it could indicate they are in pain or discomfort. Is the person defecating normal for them, or has this changed? If you are unable to find out the cause of the person's discomfort or pain, speak to their GP. Skin. Check for any soreness or new spots or rashes, and is the person's position being changed regularly to relieve any pressure areas. Communication. If you are receiving help from unfamiliar carers, do they know how the individual communicates? What do their words, sounds, or gestures mean, and how do they make choices? It might be useful to write these down. Nutrition and hydration. If you have been worried about a person's weight, have you noticed any visible weight loss or change to appetite or drinking? If you're worried about hydration, extra fluid can be given through jellies, soups or smoothies, for example. Have you noticed any coughing or choking when the person eats or drinks? Do they have regular chest infections? If so, you can contact the Community Learning Disability team to discuss this. Details are at the end of this sheet. Good oral hygiene can also help prevent chest infections. Annual health checks. GPs may not be offering an appointment in the surgery at this time. If you still want the check to be completed over the phone, ring your GP surgery to ask if it can be a telephone consultation. It might be useful to have a list of things you want to talk about if it can be facilitated. If you want to be prepared for any eventuality, you can download a health passport from Sheffield Directory. A health passport contains medical information staff would need to know if an admission to hospital was needed and can be accessed on the link below. Keeping busy. It can be difficult to find things to do at home when you can't go out, but here are a few ideas that could help. Can you spend time in the garden together? Do you have access to different coloured lights or smells such as essential oils, flowers or baking, listening to music and dancing together or moving arms and legs? Does the person like hand or foot massages or their nails painted? Do they like bubble baths or mixing wet and dry ingredients with their hands? Can you listen to different sounds by making your own instruments or shakers with what you have in the cupboards? The Change for Life website has lots of really tasty new recipes that can be tried, and additional websites can be found below. Help for carers. It's important to look after yourself at this time, but if you need help with collecting shopping and medication, urgent basic food supplies or toiletries, or if you're feeling isolated and need extra help, Sheffield City Council have a community helpline number on 0114 273 4567. The helpline is open 8:45 AM to 4:45 PM. Sheffield MenCap have a carers advice line should you need help or are feeling overwhelmed by the current situation. They can also support you if you would like to plan for if anything happens in an emergency. Sheffield MenCap Carers Centre Advice Line operates Monday to Friday, 10 AM till 4 PM and can be contacted on 0114 272 8362. Emergency planning forms can be downloaded from their website, which is listed below. Looking after your feelings on your body resource can be downloaded from the below website. Medical advice should be sought from your GP, 111, or if in an emergency, ring 999. The Community Learning Disability team can be contacted Monday to Friday, 9 AM till 5 PM on 0114 226 1562. If you need help outside of these hours, you can contact us on 0114 271 6310, which would be our out of hours service. Adult social care can be contacted on 0114 273 4908. 24-hour mental health telephone lines. We offer a 24/7 telephone line for urgent mental health support, advice and triage. Call 0114 226 3636 if you require urgent mental health support for yourself. Thank you.